Hello friends, good evening. Today we are going to see three topics. These three topics are very much interconnected. The topics are type 1 diabetes and diabetic ketoacidosis and Kussumaul's respiration. First of all, type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is also known as insulin deficient diabetes. In this type of diabetes, insulin is deficient. If insulin is deficient, why it is deficient? Because insulin production is affected. Insulin is produced by the beta cells of islets of Langerhans of pancreas. Pancreas gets attacked by the T cells via type 4 hypersensitivity reaction, otherwise cell mediated immune response. As pancreas is affected, insulin production gets decreased. If insulin gets decreased, it leads to type 1 diabetes. What causes the damage to the pancreas? What causes the hypersensitivity reaction? The cause is genetic abnormalities. If genetic abnormalities means, what are the genes affected? The genes affected are HLA, DR3 and DR6. HLA is nothing but human leukocyte antigens, which are genes. These genes are affected. That is, this genetic abnormality results in the type 4 hypersensitivity reaction, which results in the damage of the pancreas, which results in the insulin deficiency, which results in the type 1 diabetes mellitus. Okay friends, now we are going to see the clinical presentation of the patient. Clinically, the symptoms of patient is polyuria, polydipsia, polyphagia, glycosuria, and then it leads to complication. What is the complication? The complication is diabetes ketoacidosis. Diabetic ketoacidosis. How the patient with diabetic ketoacidosis presents? The name itself suggests the clinical features. The patient will be presenting with hyperglycemia, keto with ketosis, acidosis with metabolic acidosis. The patient will be presenting with hyperglycemia, ketosis and metabolic acidosis. Okay. Now, Kussumaul's respiration. This metabolic acidosis due to diabetic ketoacidosis results in the Kussumaul's respiration. What is Kussumaul's respiration? Intense breathing, deep breathing, fast breathing in order to exhale the carbon dioxide more. It is a physiological response of the body due to cope up with the metabolic acidosis. By releasing the carbon dioxide from the body, thereby decreasing the acidosis, because carbon dioxide is the major component of acid. Okay, so Kussumaul's respiration is resulting from the metabolic acidosis. Then okay, now coming to treatment. What is the major drug used for the treatment of this condition? It may be diabetic ketoacidosis or Kussumaul's respiration or type 1 diabetes. The major drug used is insulin. Okay, thank you friends. Bye. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.